AI Business Brief for July 6, 2026. Amazon is shutting down Mechanical Turk to new customers after 21 years, signaling the shift from human crowdsourcing to native AI capabilities. Google released a tone-deaf ad, imagining the founding fathers using Gemini to draft the Declaration of Independence. Chinese smart glasses maker Even Realities hit unicorn status with privacy-first glasses that compete directly against Meta's Ray-Ban line. Here's the full breakdown of today's top AI stories for your business. AI Business Brief. July 6, 2026. Next section, lead story. Amazon announced that Mechanical Turk will stop accepting new customers on July 30, 2026. Existing customers can continue using the service, but AWS confirmed they will not introduce new features. The platform, launched in 2005, was once the backbone of AI training data annotation, where humans completed small tasks like CAPTCHA challenges or sentiment tagging for pennies per task. The irony here is thick. 2023 analysis found that 46% of Mechanical Turk workers were using large language models to complete their tasks. The service designed to provide human intelligence for AI training was itself being automated by AI. For small businesses, this is a clear signal. If you are still budgeting for human data annotation or crowdsourced microtasks, you are paying for work that AI can now handle directly and more reliably. The practical takeaway: if your business relies on data labeling, content moderation, or similar microtasks, shift to native AI tools now. Services like Claude, GPT-4, or specialized annotation APIs are faster, cheaper, and don't come with the labor ethics baggage that plagued Mechanical Turk for years. Read more. Next section, tools and launches. Gemini Spark brings Mac OS automation tools. Google released Gemini Spark with new automation features specifically for Mac OS users. Details are sparse, but the tool appears designed to streamline workflows and boost productivity through AI-powered task automation on Apple machines. If you run a Mac-based business and have been waiting for native Mac OS AI automation that doesn't require duct taping together shortcuts and third-party apps, this might be worth testing. Read more. SQLite Utils 4.0 RC3 adds compound foreign keys. Developer Simon Willison released SQLite Utils 4.0 RC3, adding support for introspecting and creating compound foreign keys. He built much of the changelog using Claude Fable 5 and GPT-5. If your business runs on SQLite databases, common in embedded systems, mobile apps, or small-scale web apps, this tool simplifies database management with a Python interface. Free and open source. Read more. Hugging Face overhauls kernels with security-first approach. Hugging Face introduced a new kernel repository type on its hub, complete with trusted publisher requirements and code signing via Sigstore. Kernels are native code modules that run with full Python process privileges, so security matters. If you are building AI applications that rely on Hugging Face models, understanding this system helps you avoid loading malicious code. The Trust by Default model means you must explicitly opt in to load kernels from unverified sources. Read more. Next section, Business Playbook. Power Automate Alternatives. Which workflow tool fits your stack? Zapier published a detailed comparison of 6 Microsoft Power Automate alternatives. Power Automate is often chosen by default because it comes bundled with Microsoft 365, but its integration coverage outside the Microsoft ecosystem is spotty, and its pricing structure is notoriously confusing. The alternatives include Zapier, 9,000+ app integrations, AI orchestration, Make, visual no-code workflows, N8N, self-hosted, UiPath Desktop RPA, Workato Enterprise Orchestration, and Boomi Enterprise IPaaS. If your business runs on a mixed software as a service stack and you find yourself constantly fighting Power Automate's connectors, switching to a tool built for broad integration will save you time. Zapier's AI-native workflow building lets non-technical users create automations without flooding your IT queue. If you have specific pricing sensitivity or need self-hosted control, N8N is the open-source option. Read more. Mom runs entire household with 5 AI agents. A former CEO now manages her household using 5 AI agents that handle scheduling, meal planning, shopping, and coordination. Critics call it super creepy, but the underlying principle is sound. Repetitive household management tasks are prime candidates for AI delegation. If you run a service business where scheduling, inventory, or coordination eat up admin time, the same agent-based approach applies. The real question is not whether to automate, but which tasks deliver the most time savings per dollar spent. Read more. Jasper vs. ChatGPT, marketing-focused AI vs. general-purpose chatbot Zapier compared Jasper AI and ChatGPT for business use. Jasper is a specialized AI marketing tool with over 500 content generation prompts and 100-plus agent workflows designed for specific marketing tasks like email campaigns, product descriptions, and social posts. ChatGPT is more versatile, but requires stronger prompt engineering skills. If you run a marketing team and need templated workflows for repetitive content generation, Jasper's guided prompts reduce the learning curve. If your team already knows how to write effective prompts and needs flexibility across broader tasks, ChatGPT is cheaper and more adaptable. Both use state-of-the-art models, so output quality is comparable. Read more. DocuSign integrates Perplexity AI to streamline contract work. DocuSign now integrates with Perplexity AI to speed up legal contract workflows. If you handle contracts, NDA, or legal agreements regularly, AI-powered summarization and clause extraction can cut review time significantly. This matters for small businesses that cannot afford full-time legal staff but need to move contracts through approval pipelines quickly. Read more. Next section, industry moves. Chinese smart glasses maker Even Realities becomes unicorn Even Realities, founded by Apple veteran Will Wang, raised $150 million in a pre-Series B round led by Tencent and Meituan, reaching a $1 billion valuation. The company's G2 smart glasses compete directly against Meta's Ray-Ban line but focus on privacy. No cameras, no recording hardware. Instead, they use a heads-up display for messages, navigation, and live translation. Over half of Even Realities users are in the U.S. The smart glasses category surged 167% year-over-year in Q1 2026, shipping 2.25 million units. Meta holds nearly 70% market share, driven by its displayless Ray-Ban partnership. Global shipments are expected to more than double to 50 million by 2030. If you are in retail, logistics, or field services, smart glasses with AR displays could replace handheld devices for workers who need hands-free access to instructions, inventory data, or navigation. Read more. Meta faces regulatory pressure in India over Instagram child abuse ads. India's Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology issued a stern warning to Meta after a BBC investigation revealed that Instagram was running paid advertisements promoting child sexual abuse material. The Indian government demanded Meta immediately disable all such ads and provide a detailed explanation within 7 days. Meta could face fines of up to 6% of its total worldwide annual turnover if EU violations are confirmed in parallel proceedings. India is Meta's largest market for Instagram, 480 million users, and Facebook, 400 million users. For businesses advertising on Meta platforms, this is a reminder that platform risk is real. Diversify your customer acquisition channels so a regulatory action or platform policy shift does not cut off your entire funnel. Read more. Google's Founding Fathers AI ad draws universal disgust. Google released a commercial imagining the Founding Fathers using Google Workspace and Gemini AI to draft the Declaration of Independence. Ben Franklin texts Thomas Jefferson, who uses AI to transcribe the document into a Google Doc. The ad ends with the founders asking Gemini whether to give King George Roman III edit access to the Declaration. Critics from across the political spectrum called it tone-deaf, corny, and proof that AI is not a useful tool for political organizing or human collaboration. The ad is a masterclass in how not to position AI, framing it as a replacement for human thought rather than a tool that amplifies it. Read more. Next section, quick wins. Rethink your workflow tool if Power Automate does not fit your stack. If you spend more time debugging connectors than building workflows, try Zapier's free tier, 100 tasks/month, or N8N's self-hosted option. Match the tool to your actual SAW stack, not just what came bundled with your Microsoft 365 license. Use AI agents for repetitive admin tasks. Scheduling, meal planning, and coordination are not just household tasks. If your business has repetitive processes that follow clear rules, weekly reports, client onboarding checklists, inventory checks, an AI agent can handle them. Start with one high-frequency task and measure time saved before scaling. Next section, Outlook. This week's stories show AI consolidating around two themes. Native capabilities are replacing human micro-labor, Mechanical Turk, and consumer-facing AI products are stumbling on messaging, Google's Founding Fathers ad. For small businesses, the lesson is clear. Use AI where it excels at repetitive, rule-based tasks. Do not try to use it for creative, strategic, or politically sensitive work where human judgment matters. Watch for more workflow automation tools to add AI-native features as the race to simplify no-code automation intensifies. That concludes today's AI Business Brief from Carolina Clear Tech. Stay smart, stay ahead.